Mastering Rubrics and Scoring Guides for English Language Learning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to tackle an essential topic that will take your English language learning to the next level. We'll be discussing rubrics and scoring guides. Specifically, we'll focus on how these tools can enhance your understanding of collocations in English. This knowledge will be very useful for both self-assessment and for formal assessments you might encounter in your English learning journey. Rubrics and scoring guides are vital tools that help measure a learner's performance in a clear, objective, and standardized way. A rubric is a detailed scoring guide that lays out specific criteria for grading or scoring academic work. Each criterion in a rubric corresponds to a specific skill or knowledge area, with levels of performance defined for each. A scoring guide, on the other hand, is a more simplified tool often used for less complex tasks or assessments. It defines what constitutes good performance but may not offer as detailed a breakdown as a rubric. When used in assessing collocation knowledge, these tools can help clearly define the expectations and set standards for what is considered successful learning. Rubrics and scoring guides play a crucial role in evaluating collocation knowledge. They ensure that the learner understands how different words work together in the English language, and they provide a clear framework for what is expected. For instance, in a rubric for collocations, you might see categories for assessing knowledge of verb-noun collocations, adjective-noun collocations, and so on. Each category might have performance levels ranging from does not demonstrate understanding to demonstrates advanced understanding. Similarly, a scoring guide might simply list that learners should be able to correctly use a specified number of collocations in a written or spoken exercise. As learners, rubrics and scoring guides offer many advantages. They provide clear expectations and help you understand what you need to work on to improve your collocation knowledge. These tools also promote self-assessment. With a clear set of criteria, you can evaluate your own work and identify areas for improvement. This kind of reflection is a key part of language learning, fostering independent learning skills. Lastly, rubrics and scoring guides create a fair and objective way to assess performance, eliminating confusion or bias. They ensure everyone is judged by the same standards, providing consistent feedback for all learners. And that's a wrap on our overview of rubrics and scoring guides in assessing collocation knowledge. Remember, these tools are here to aid you in your learning journey, providing clear, objective standards for your progress. So, embrace them as valuable companions in your English language learning adventure. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening, and as always, happy learning!